Hello, my alien students. Hope everyone is doing well. The aim of this project today is to complete this project one day. Okay? We will start from scratch. Okay, so this is one Revit file. Okay, we will try to manage. Sorry, right click manage links. CAD. Okay, we will just insert the plumbing layout. Let's say okay. Not happy. Yeah, see, this is the okay. You can't select. Okay, what's the aim of this project is we will do it step by step. Okay, so this is a architecture AutoCAD file which has the drainage. Okay, so we will load it. We will load it actually. We do it in MEP stuff. We will load it into this architectural file, link it, and do the plumbing layout for it. Okay, so from step by step. In other words, we will start with MEP, new project. In other words, we're trying to convert an AutoCAD file into an MEP project. Okay, we'll do it step by step. I will teach you a lot of tricks, secrets and tricks, and hope you will enjoy this class. Okay, flow drain and whatever. Okay, so if you want, you can have a look at the AutoCAD file. Maybe give it a better look here. So you'll. It's a nice project, beautiful project. I thought we can a plumbing lab. Yeah. So this is the project. Okay, we have it in AutoCAD file. In other words, the architect has given us this AutoCAD file and asked us to complete the 3D model 3D model. So our aim is to convert this AutoCAD file into a 3D model. He's given us the layout. We'll have to do the model. Okay. So this is the name of the project. Consider this part one. In the next class, we will start with a blank screen. We have the architectural file. I think the architectural file is not 100% perfect. We will just check. Okay, ignore it. Okay, and right click manage link. I will show you what we will do. Reload from. Okay, just reloading the architectural file. May not be the same then. Okay. Hmm. He's there, he's there. So I'm human, I've done this. Don't worry. Okay, thanks, sir. That's not an issue. We just wanted to know. Okay. I believe all the walls have not been done. That's what was the students' complaint. Hmm. What I want to do is, no, it's perfect. I like to align it. So what I generally do is, okay, this is a good thing for everyone. I just move this aside. Is this clear? Okay. What we need to do is we need to create those walls, interior walls. We've not done it for this one. I think probably this was done for the ceiling. Oh, measure the walls and let's not doing it. 100, 200. No problem. Edit time, duplicate, 100. Oh, it's already 100. Good. No, not that one. Okay. Create similar. Don't worry. Don't stress about it. Okay. Then same thing. Creates similar. You will see some tricks today. Yeah, that's it. Sorry. So I think yeah, this is wrong. 150. Okay. I hope it's clear. I'm just doing the architectural file now, and then we will finish the architectural file and link the Revit one. What we can do now for these ones is, yeah, we can mirror it. We need to get the mirror, sorry, midpoint. What I can do is I just draw an RT, right click, select areas. No, it's not happening. for some reason the walls are not parallel, isn't it? Yeah, the walls are not parallel. Hmm. Okay, don't stress about it. Every problem has a solution. There is a wall there and a wall there. Okay. So, yeah. Okay. We just need the walls now. That's it. I think we have this same story here. Okay, so the architectural file is now ready. We just needed that. All the walls are ready. Okay, beautiful. Okay, in the next class, I think that's it. We are just interested in we need to create a wall here and a wall here. So, okay, create similar. Hmm. Okay, I think this has a wall for it. Okay, we will complete this project step by step by step. So we started with an AutoCAD file. In the next class, you will see, because when I need to do the MEP stuff, I will have to link this. I just used the AutoCAD file. If I say right click, manage link. If you don't like that, you can go to insert, click manage links. Okay, CAD format. I can just unload. Unload is not remove. Okay, it's just telling him, adios temporarily. It's called for advertisement, but just leaving for advertisement. Okay, so we've done the walls. We can delete this line because tomorrow it does headache for me. Okay, I think we've done the architectural project. Okay, so this is 3D view. Oh, I think this was the same thing for level 2. Yeah, so this is the 3D view of the thing. You're just doing one floor, the same thing you can do with the top one. Okay, so if you want to hide something, right click. Instead of hiding, I want to make it light. Okay, transparency. It's called having alien vision. So you can see it is there, but just making it lighter. Okay, we will be using this in MEP. So in the next class, what we will do is I will save this project. It's called architectural file. In the next class, I will link this file into the project and start doing or placing the fixtures, okay, or the nearest equivalent fixture. We might not be able to get these kind of plumbing fixture, okay, but we'll do it something similar to that or equivalent. It has venting and drainage, so I will use both of them. Okay, hope everybody enjoyed this beautiful class, and we'll see each other in the next class. Bye.